Welcome to my today tutorial. Today we're gonna learn how to um, customize our desktop from the normal look of the desktop. We're gonna change it to our own customized way, but this time we will use an already made UI, that is the arc. So for us to install those things, we need to have some certain application. We need to install some certain application that will help us to go through the process. So let's go. Yeah, this folder rusting will be made available on the description for you to download. This folder will contain the needed the required software and files to change everything. So first of all, you have to extract all the files inside this archive. It's a compressed zip folder, you can see there. So you extract everything out. I use 9-zip. You can use WinRAR or any other one you love using, but I use 9-zip. So I click on all, then extract. It shows where I want it to be. Desktop, YouTube, and I paste it here. Okay, you can see it's extracting now. So we'll wait for it to extract. Depending on the PC speed, it will be faster. Alright, you can see it's already extracted. So we go up from the app and we can see our files are here right now. Rainmeter, skin and theme. Okay, so what we do next is we install the Rainmeter app, because this app is the app that will help us to customize the desktop. So first of all, you double click on your right click and open the app. Accept everything just like that. You can see just like the way I do it. Just follow the instruction. Well, you know how to install apps on your PC, so this won't be an issue for you. You can see I've installed the Rainmeter app right now. Yeah, you can see just popped up some stuff on my desktop. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is we go into the theme folder and install this Ultra UX Theme Patcher. This app will help us to install different theme on our PC. So we run it. After a successful installation of this software, you need to do a proper restart of your PC. You can see I already have installed this software, so I don't have to restore or restart my PC. So this is for you installing it for the first time. You have to restart your PC. Alright, still on the theme section, you can see at my desktop nothing has changed, still the same. The Rainmaster is loading and everything. So still on the theme folder. What we are going to do next is the arc folder. This arc is the UI we are using. Rainmaster has many themes. This arc is the theme UI we are using for now. There are many themes, so arc is one of them. So I'm using this arc, and this is the arc packs, the folder packs, icon packs. If you can see on my file explorer here, most things are different because this is not the default looking of the Windows 10. So that means I've already installed my iPack. I'm just doing this tutorial to show you more on how to get to this stage. So let's first install the arc. Now you go to your themes, copy all the arc. We do Control, go back. Yeah, Control A to highlight everything. Then you could copy it, Ctrl C. Now where we copy this into is you go to our PC. I recommend you open another another explorer, so you don't have to go looking for another file, move through your PC to get what you want and stuff. So you come here, you can see, enter your PC, and go to Windows, then you find the resources folder. You can see it here. You click on it, you can see the themes. Yeah, I've already pasted it before because I'm using it right now. So this is for you. Yours might not be this much, might be just few stuff. So you just have to when you're in this folder, Ctrl V to paste it. Yes, accept everything, continue. Yes, try again. Okay, well, I'm getting an error for no reason, but you should try it and it will work. Already I pasted mine here, so I believe that for now. So now, still on the ARC, still on the theme folder, you can go ahead to install the iPack. You can see this iPack now. This ARC regular is an executable file, exe. So you have to just like click on the app and open it, or double tap. Normally normally double tap. You click on it, run, and yeah, accept it. It will install the pack. Always make a restore point for backup. Always make a restore point. So after clicking this next and all the stuff, to install the pack, I've already used the pack, so I don't need to install it. But for you need to click on it, install the pack, and that is it. After installing the pack and everything, you can come to your personalization or personalize on your desktop to change your theme. You can see on the Windows settings, you can see the theme, background, color, and all the stuff. But we are going to go to the theme. Okay, right now in this theme section, you can see the ARC is installed. You can see ARC Tag Flatter Plus. So you click on it, and yes, we've loaded the theme. This is the theme. So move this one, unload. Okay, let's go to manage for now. Yeah, this is how Rainmeter look like. This is where you mount a theme and unmount a theme. So for now, we have already installed the theme. What we need are the skins. What are those skins now? The skins are the let me say the just like on a smartphone, the widgets and other stuff, those are the skins. So it's like the widgets for the desktop. So this is what we do now. We go back to that folder and we have to install the skins. You can see this is one, MNML UI version 1.1. I've used this one before. So these are the skins that will come with this file that I'm going to put on the description. This other one won't be there, so you can download it later. The file is too big and I can't just put it on the description or upload it on the net, but you could download it if you want. There are a lot of themes there. You can choose the skin you want. So let's go. These skins are the basic simple skins. So you just click on it, install, close the settings. What's going on here? close settings. Okay, come again, close the settings. Yes, I'm installing all the skins I want to use. Okay, it's nice. And waveline, you don't have to install, so you just have to choose what you want. Install just what you like to use. You see, this is one of the skins. Now what this does is it gives this visual looking when you play music. I should play that. Alright, so that's it. So what we do next is okay, now we've seen and installed some skins. So we go to manage again. You can see those skins are right here now. You see the simple blah 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 and all the stuff, whether you can choose what you want to put and all the stuff. If I like load the weather now, you can see the weather app will be right here. So if you on your internet connection and all the stuff, that will surely pop out the current weather of your area. So I'm not using that, so I'm gonna unload that. You can see on the Titanium, what we have there on the Titanium is still some the same things, just depends on you. Those are the clock. Titanium, we have a clock. You can see the clock. You can add a clock there. But personally, I want to use this clock. I will show you the clock I use. So you unload the skin. All this thing is just on your preference, what you like to use and what you don't like. You can see you don't want to use the wave line, and you like you deactivate it here, and that's it. If you want to use it, you can use this here. You can also edit it to your choice and all the stuff. Then what I love, this taskbar. You can see we have a translucent taskbar. What we do is double tap on it, and you can see taskbar is normal, transparent. It's very transparent. You can see that. On the first usage, I'm not sure it will be this transparent. So what you have to do is add this simple command on it to change everything. It will be more transparent than they have ever been before. But I'm sure this mine is very transparent. I can look at it very well. Very transparent. But if yours isn't very transparent, you just have to add this simple command. They say accent states. Get it? Accent states. Then equals to, just like your southern mass, I don't know, equals to 2. Then you save it just like that. After saving it, you excitify and refresh it. Now if yours wasn't transparent, I'm sure it will be very transparent now. So it's all about what you like to do. If you don't want to use it, if you want to make yours transparent, you could use it. If you don't want it, you could not. There are a lot of themes, you just have to download them and use. Now I will use my clock skin. I love this one. I love this UI very much. I'm going to use it. Let me install it and show you what I mean. So you can see I've already installed the MNML UI. Okay, that what is happening to pronounce. I don't know why. Alright, you can see the UI is all about time and dates. It's just like a dates UI. So what we have to do is choose, make this available. What we have to do is choose the style we want. There are a lot of style you can see: vertical, tilt. See, oh, this is the tilt already. See, there are strokes. You see, personally I use this one. There are a lot to choose from. When you use this one, you will know them and you will love them. That is the truth about it. So let me show you something. Keep this one here like this, keep this one like this, and you can customize the way you want them to be. Get, let me show you something. You could say, alright, you can make it draggable, undraggable. Like if you click on it, like you left click on it and move, it won't move. So it's like pinned to the desktop. Or if it's draggable, you could move it to your preferred location that you want it to be. You get? So this is like a customized clock and an organized clock. You could still use a lot of this thing. Like, let me show you. There are a lot to use. See, this is the big one. Don't like that one, it's too big and stuff. So what I just use is this stroke. It's very basic and just nice to look at. Alright, so next we go to the wave line. We have to like edit some stuff on this wave line because it looks somehow fat. The circles there are too fat and stuff. So but it's a choice. You could just edit it if you want and leave it if you don't. What is this? Alright, no, I'm in the wrong place right now. Trying to go edit something I don't know about. Okay, edit. I still think I'm in the wrong place. Yeah. Okay, just leave it the way you see it. Don't touch, if not you'll get something spoiled. So that's how I love it to look like. I put my own wallpaper like this. Let me say personalize and choose a certain wallpaper I love, and that's it. Voila, I got my PC organized to my taste. So I hope you understand a lot from this video, and make sure you turn this off. Show desktop icon. If you click it on, you can see recycling bins here. This folder is here. It's unorganized and it's make the UI and everything looks ugly. So just turn it off, and you have a plain screen. You can see it's cool. There are a lot of skin you could use. So this is just the arc, the way I love my arc. You could customize your arc a different way. So that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you understand and love the content I produce here. And give me a thumb up and subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and all this stuff. Yeah, have a nice day. Thank you.